everyone, welcome back to RBIS podcast. I am Shanali from Riyadh Bhara International School, Mohali, and this is your fortnightly dose of news straight from us for you. Today, we have got international, national, business and sport news, plus a fact of the day and word to learn together. Let's dive right in. Starting with the world of democracy, a big election story this fortnight. Algeria, one of the Africa's largest and most populated countries, held this parliamentary election on July 2nd, with nearly 25 million eligible voters going to the polls to elect 407 members on their assembly. Algeria is one of the largest in Africa by area and its election. It is a powerful reminder of how the citizens shape their nation's future through one simple, and here is the biggest picture. 2026 is one of the most biggest election years in the world history. More than 40 countries are holding national election this year, representing over 1.5 billion people worldwide. From Brazil presidential elections in October to the US midterm elections in November, democracy is on the move. India continues to be the fastest growing mode economy in the world, recording an impressive 78% GDP in the first quarters. The World Bank has approved 1.5 million in funding to support job creation in India, a program accepted to generate employment for 11 million young Indians over the next 2 decades. That means opportunity for us all. And India's defense exports have hit an all-time high of rupees 1.78 lakh crore in FY26, a 15.76% jump in 1 year. From a country that once imported most of its weapons, India is now selling them to the world, a true transformation. Understanding business is understanding the future. India and the United Kingdom has signed a landmark comprehensive economy and trade agreement, one of the India's biggest trade and deal ever. It came to effect on July 15, 2026. This deal will make it easier for the Indian business to export goods to the UK, opening massive opportunities for Indian companies, farmers and entrepreneurs. I signed a historic deal with the Dutch tech giant ASML to build the India's first ever commercial semiconductor chip manufacturing plant in Dholeria, Gujarat. At an investment of 11 million, chips are the brain of every phone, car, laptop and AI system. India will now make its own. This is a game changer. India fans, exciting times ahead. India team is gearing up for the England tour with the Virat Kohli returning to the ODI squad and Shubman Gill leading as captain. Biggest tennis tournament in the world just wrapped up. Wimbledon 2026 produced the incredible champions. Jannik Sinner of Italy defended its men's single title, making him a 5-time Grand Slam champion. Very first Grand Slam title in a dramatic 3-set final. She is the youngest woman champion since 2011. Yours is your fact of the day, and this one connects business with history. Did you know the India and UK trade deal signed this fortnight is actually the result of 14 years of negotiations that began back in 2013. Both countries went through the multiple governments, multiple rounds of talks and countless challenges before finally signing it in 2026. Word of the day, and now let's learn together. Today's word is tenacious. It means being very determined and persistent, refusing to give up no matter what. Use it like this. India's tenacious pursuit of a trade deal with the UK, spanning 14 years, finally paid off in 2026. There is a wrap on episode 3 of Riyadh Bhara International School Mohali podcast. See you in the next episode.